Hey guys, it's MiKayla from J3, and this week's theme is Dream Week. So basically, in my video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys about a dream that I had ever since I was a little kid. It's a nightmare, not even a dream. It's a nightmare about this vacuum cleaner that sucked up my whole family and stuff, so I'm going to show y'all how that dream went, and yeah.
It was a late evening. I was taking my daily nap. All of a sudden, I was waking up to a strange noise. So, I got up. As always, I was rocking my Contour Franta shirt. Loved it. I grabbed Fluffy and got up. There was something strange about this house. I felt something odd. I felt a presence. I looked everywhere, and all of a sudden, there it was. It was a big, blue vacuum cleaner from Tempo. So I did what any normal human would do. I inspected it. It didn't look really creepy to me, or not so scary, but it was kind of odd. It looked very innocent, though. Or at least I thought it was innocent. I grabbed Fluffy and ran. Oh my gosh, where'd it go? How did it disappear like that? Okay, I'm very creeped out right now. It was just there. Oh my gosh, there it is. Ah! I'm gonna scream. It disappeared again.
Okay guys, it's MiKayla. The vacuum cleaner, it's nowhere to be seen. It's not in here, it's not in here. Oh gosh, I'm scared guys. It's not scared. Oh, it's not in this room. I'm scared guys. Gosh. My dog's nowhere to be found.
I'm back. Whoa. You die. And that was the end of my life.
Okay guys, so that concludes my nightmare, the curse of the vacuum. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, comment below what are some of your craziest dreams or nightmares. I would love to read them and compare them to mine. And yeah, that is it. Make sure you check out all my social media. It's in the down bar below. And check out my main channel, of course. And yeah, okay, bye!